This is a used 2007 Buick Lucerne, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Parkway Autoplex is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1010 North Main Street, Cedar City, Utah, 84720.